So is it or its? Is it your or your? Is it there or there? It can be so confusing if you don't know the grammar rules. Hi, I'm Joycelyn Akufo. So, do you ever get the feeling that you're not really sure which words to use and when, the correct spellings to use, and understand the reasons why you should use the correct spelling? So is it or its? Is it your or your? Is it there or there? It can be so confusing if you don't know the grammar rules. That's why I've created this English writing course. It's going to demystify everything you've ever felt embarrassed about asking somebody else, or embarrassed about using in your writing. And then the thing is, some of these words, we can't avoid using them. So you send out an email, you put a post on social media, and you probably feel a bit vulnerable, a bit exposed. You're not sure whether the person receiving it or reading it will think that you have no idea how to spell or how to use correct grammar. If that's how you feel, this course is for you. Honestly. But the beauty of it is, I won't bog you down with all the meaningless intricacies. You're not trying to write a dictionary, I understand that. You just want the basic explanation of when to use a particular word and how to use a particular variant of the words. So in this course, you'll be learning about homophones. You'll be learning when to use capitals and when not to use capitals. And I go even a step further in explaining different tips and techniques you can use to break down the meaning of words. Thinking about things like prefixes and suffixes and how they change the meaning of words, parts of speech and how to use them, when you should use them. I want to make this journey a very, very fast and straightforward one. But the beauty is, even though it's a quick course, you will finish feeling the most confident you've ever felt in your writing. I love playing with words, and that's why I call myself the girl who loves to play with words. And I'm hoping that by the end of this course, you will love it too. Click the link below and let's get this journey started. You will not regret this, I promise you.